Hello guys, this model is recently launched in 2024. The name of the model is CMA by Nothing. I will show the design of the mobile. This look is fantastic. This model is look attractive and fantastic. And the back of the screw design is make the mobile is unique. This model is nothing. Okay, I will show the design of back look. You can see, wow, very nice. Actually, this look is a screwdriver is most attractive. You will get in the mobile 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera and 16 megapixel front camera. Overall picture is good, 5000 mAh battery. I will suggest you should buy this model, but one demerit in this mobile, that is you can't get any charger. Okay, but you can get one fast cable and one sim ejector. That is, I will show you that. You can see that is the pin ejector, and phone is overall is good. uh, Phone is fantastic. If you want to buy a gaming processor phone, so this phone is better for you. You can purchase it. You should purchase. Okay, my customer was happy during the purchase of mobile. Thank you guys. Like and subscribe, please. Have a good day.